Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about coronavirus vaccine. As we all know that how dangerous this coronavirus is. In the span of 4 months, the novel coronavirus pandemic has infected close to 5 million people globally, with Southern America having been declared the newest epicenter of the viral infection. Here is the status of coronavirus vaccine. There are over 110 prospective projects in work to find a workable cure for SARS CoV 19, which spread from a wet market in Wuhan in December last year. Some have reached the clinical trial stage, others have shown a little less than favorable results. Now, here comes the question, when will have vaccine ready for COVID 19? Leading researchers are still saying that it can be another 14 to 18 months before the world gets to access a vaccine. The same is the case with Indian vaccine, as experts says that it is still in the nascent stage and it will take a while before we see conclusive development. Vaccine requires a lot of crucial studies, phases of trials to test out potential side effects, to test its safety, feasibility and cost. Here are the leading front runners right now. First, China's Casino Biologics Inc. vaccine. Casino vaccine, which is developed by a China-based company, also became the first of its kind to proceed to the stage 2 of the study and for its preliminary status to get peer-reviewed. In the testing done so far, participants who received single dose of vaccine produced certain immune cells called T cells. Within 2 weeks, while the antibodies needed for immunity peaked at 28 days. However, there is still a long way to go for this vaccine to receive green sign, since a lot of side effects during injections have been observed. The second one is Moderna's RNA vaccine. Moderna's RNA vaccine is set to move into second phase of clinical trials in the month of July. The company, which makes use of a novel mRNA sequence, hides the infected proteins and carries instructions to the body to deploy necessary antibodies to fight against infection. Moderna's Inc. has successfully finished stage 1, where it has reported promising positive results on at least 8 candidates who developed protective antibodies against corona. The next one is Oxford University and AstraZeneca PLC vaccine. The joint collaboration between the University of Oxford and PharmaGain AstraZeneca plc's experimental vaccine was a highly looked forward to ever since the tests began in April. The vaccine used a weak mutation of common cold virus, adenovirus, has been mixed with the genetic material of SARS-CoV-2. Trials began with standardized animal testing. Vaccine may not be effective in preventing the infection spread. The next one is ICMR BBIL vaccine. The Indian Council of Medical Research and Bharat Biotech International Limited have announced a recent collaboration wherein the isolated COVID strain has been characterized in the Institute of Virology, Pune. Vaccine, which aims to work by building up the body's immunity in fighting the virus, will take minimum a year time. And the next one is Thailand's mRNA vaccine. Thailand last week, that is May 22, announced that it has proceeded to test its novel vaccine on monkeys after seeing positive results on mice and hoped to get clear outcome of its effectiveness by September. The vaccine, which is amongst the 110 contenders, uses messenger RNA technology to weaken the viral strain and produce antigens to fight the virus from the root. Next one is tobacco vaccine. The newest entrant in the race is a leading tobacco production company, British American Tobacco, who announced the making of an experimental vaccine based on proteins from tobacco leaves. While the vaccine is yet to receive necessary approval from FDA, workings have shown good promise in preclinical trials. The last and final one is Pfizer BioNTech vaccine. The pharmaceutical Giant, which is co-producing the vaccine with the help of a German company, BioNTech, has started the process of dosing patients. Four vaccine candidates devised out of the messenger RNA format are being tested on the volunteers to identify the most viable and suited vaccine of four. The data is being shared with scientists in real time. The tests are currently going on in German and parts of USA. Here is the latest update. Novavax begins injection vaccine candidate into people in Australia. Trials of ICMR's COVID-19 may begin in 6 months. So we don't know exactly when the vaccine will be available, but always hope for the best. Stay home, stay safe.